Shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching.
Team Bella, it's me, your girl Miranda, and I'm here with my rewind plan with me and my wonton in a million insert. So before we jump in, if you enjoy, show me some love and give me that thumbs up. Also, don't forget to comment and of course, subscribe to become a member of Team Bella by hitting the subscribe button below. So today I am going to be using, I think I've had this sticker kit, I don't know how long, but at least a year or so. And I'm using this sticker kit from Wild Summer Design. She closed for a while and then reopened. So I caught her before she actually closed. This is the sticker kit and it's called Fall Days. So here are the 8 full box stickers. This one is a double sticker here. So, you know, I love those and love to put them in the middle. And then there's an extra deco sticker there. Here's an ombre weekly habit tracker. We have checklists, little things. We have little square boxes, a weekend banner. We have some rounded quarter boxes, half boxes, additional quarter boxes and those appointment boxes. We have bottom washi, tab, little, like, I don't know what they're called, like maybe appointment tabs. And then these tiny look like 1/8 boxes. Then we have our date covers, along with the date dots and icons, ombre checklist, some more boxes down there. And then here we have deco. Woohoo, we love deco. And then some more boxes. So this is extremely functional. And what I do like about her kits is that she has all these work stickers here, at least 5 of them. So I will be able to use those. Here are the date covers that came with it. I wanted to accent this kit with rose gold. And so I'm going to grab some rose gold date dots. I won't be using the ones in the kit. Because I want to bring in pops of rose gold. So, and I have my date cover sticker book here. And yes, it is bursting from the seams. I must find another solution because I'm telling you right now. All right, so we'll just grab these from Planning City. And we'll use those. So we'll start by laying the date dots down. We'll do the glitter headers and we'll just do placement, and I will speed it up, but I will come back afterwards and we can talk about everything that I did. So I'm gonna lay the foundation and I'm also going to put in the sidebar, and then we come back, we will get plans and then other stickers that I'm going to use to bring it all together. Okay, I hope you enjoy the music.
My love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately. I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me. Can we get back on the same page tonight? Can we stay? And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. My love language is your love and affection. Won't you give some of it to me? Yeah, I need you present. Instead of giving me presents, you're not getting off that easily. Oh, when we get back on the same page tonight, we can stay. And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time
All right, so I decided to speed things up for us because, oh my God, guys, I struggle with this video so much. Like, I had so many interruptions, and in addition to having interruptions, I couldn't get my sticker life together. So what you need to know on the bottom, washi there, and across all of the headers, I've added overlay tape in rose gold from Rose Colored Days. And I tried to use the deco in the sidebar this time. So I don't know if I can say that I love it, but it is definitely cute. So you'll see me checking out various pens here. So I bought these pens from Jet Pens, and I thought that they were gel pens, and not so much. They're ballpoints. I absolutely hated it. The little pink book that you saw is my rose gold, like my icon stickers. There may be some scripts in there that I got from Planning City. So on Monday, I put down that half box, and now I'm looking for something that will perfectly describe what happened on Monday, which at 10 a.m., I had a mammogram. And what's interesting about my last things appointment, so my mammogram and my COVID shot, I was telling my friends, like, when you get older, you do different things with your friends. So we had our mammogram scheduled together. We went and took the COVID shot together. So that is what happens when you become a certain age or of a certain age. Your hangout habits definitely change. If you would have told me just 10 years ago that I would be having joint doctor's appointments with my bestie, I would not have believed you. So here during this pause, what I'm searching for is like a doctor sticker. So finally I decided to go with this little peel since it was a mammogram. It's pink. And then I will write there on there the mammogram appointment with my bestie Mel. So yeah, that was an interesting day. But what was also really fun, and I don't know if you can see it there in rose gold, it is a script sticker from Planning City, and it says Starbucks. And then I found another one that said coffee date, and then I put with my friend. I think next week, and let me know what you guys think. I'm going to zoom in a bit closer so that you guys can actually see what I'm writing and everything on the page. I think that will just do us all better, because looking here, you can kind of see this stuff, but you can't get a really good close view. So that's some feedback from me. I also put this little orange box down. That's from Bodacious Prints. I don't believe she's in business anymore. And that signifies Happy Mail that I received from Keleva Plan. I got that autumn floral sticker book that she recently had come out. The next thing I'm going to put down is a upload video from Planning City in rose gold. And that is where I will indicate that I uploaded a YouTube video. So here I am on Tuesday. I'm straightening up my work sticker, and then I'm putting the times that I work there from 8 to 6:30. And then I'm going to grab I don't know what you call it. It's a perfectly square box from the kit to indicate my knee pain. And then I got a In My Feelings sticker from Planning City. And it's like the girl giving you the face, her palm, like not feeling it. And I was not feeling it absolutely at all. So I'm going to put that there. I found my little book of like emojis and various little, I guess they're mini dolls. And then I went to the sidebar to pop in that I had leftovers. Monday I had sriracha sushi bowls. With my husband being out of town, it is imperative that I have some type of meal prep, or I will DoorDash it or Uber Eats it to death. So I try to plan with that. I did online shopping. I put it for my little nephew. I ordered him some things. And also, I put that blue clean the room, but it's really changing the bed sheets, and then laundry on last Tuesday. Flashing over to Wednesday, I took the heart checklist and I indicated trash day. And then also I put a little DoorDash shopping bag, and that one came from Planning City, to say that I ordered DoorDash for lunch for Popeyes, and we had a bad thunderstorm. Now, Popeyes, that was disgusting. They put so much mayonnaise on the sandwich, it was not edible. 7:30 on Wednesday, I had that Zoom meeting, which is my midweek meeting. And then I put deco initially there, but in the end, I will go back and change that. So for Thursday, I put my work time from 8 to 7:30. I also indicated that I went to the airport to swap out my cars. I had lunch at Jim and Nick's with my coworkers. And then I redid my nails on Thursday. And then last but not least, on Thursday, I put a little blue shopping box to indicate my order that came in from Zulily. On Friday, I had a day off. So I put that day off sticker on there in rose gold from Planning City. And then I put the little girl with the eye mask with a quote that says, "Namaste in bed." And then I also indicated with the little princess that my daughter Cash arrived. And then also that my daughter Kai worked from my house. I meal planned. And also my husband returned from out of town for work. And then we Netflixed and chilled. On Saturday, we had a grocery run. I had to pick up my brother from the airport. So we also had family come in and had dinner with us, and we continued to binge watch the show we started on Friday. And then, of course, with people being in the house, because it's COVID, we had to clean and sanitize. For Sunday, I had a 10 a.m. Zoom meeting, my congregation meeting. Did a little more cleaning. I did film, help my daughter with her hair, and of course plan. So that was my Sunday. Well, that is our plan with me. Is rather full and a lot going on. Definitely a little different than what I typically do, but I was happy to start incorporating and using some of the icon and script stickers that I have. So I'm going to give it a little viv wiggle. Okay, so you can see that rose gold foil. And then I'm going to go north, south, east, and west so you can see it. So I love it. So let me know what you think. Don't forget the 3 things: like, comment, subscribe. See you soon. Ciao, Bella.